Hey everybody, it's Roger from Roger's Reviews, and it is November 30th, and I just wanted to put on record basically what I think is going to happen. I'm not giving any information as far as like you guys need to do your own research and don't take my advice. I'm not a financial guy or anything, but I just wanted to, for myself, to put on record what I think is going to happen, and then that way I can later look at it and see if I was wrong or if I was right. But I had like a prediction of what I think is going to happen to the stock for Tesla. They just announced after hours that the S&P 500 is going to basically make like a single purchase and basically buy all the stock they need in like one day, which is like December 21st. So I think that's why the stock has been kind of sporadic up and down. Nobody knows what's going on, and everybody's trying to figure out you know, when the stock was going to be purchased. Like today it went it started going up a little bit this morning, and then it just plummeted. So then it leveled off and went back up after hours, because around 5:30 p.m. They basically announced that they're going to purchase the stock all in one day, or like the 21st, I believe. And then all the bids, you have to be in by the 18th, I believe, to be in on the deal. So I think that the stocks is going to continually to go up tomorrow. So it's going to continue to rise. I think everybody's going to try to get their money in before the 18th. So I can see the stock rising. Everybody that has basically any money is going to try to put it in now. So I can see the stock, I believe, going way over 600 before the inclusion, and then I think on the 21st, I think the stock's going to maybe go over 700, maybe reach 800, maybe more, and then after the inclusion, probably like the, I don't know, depending on which day it is, right after the inclusion, there's going to be a sell-off. So I think a lot of the long-term Tesla investors are just going to hold on to their stock. They're just basically buying as much as they can right now, because like someone like me, I'm going to try to basically buy as much as I can and hold on to it. I know it's going to go way up. There might be some people with margin like myself that try to sell off a little bit of margin, or sell off a little bit of stock to basically pay off their margin and then ride it out from that point on. I think there's going to be some shorts that get squeezed, and there's going to be basically a lot of the you know, people that buy and sell, especially the people that want to have Tesla long term. I think a lot of those people are going to go get in, because this is going to take a lot of the up and downs out of it. Because once the S&P buys in, and which is going to almost force in a lot of the other mutual funds, a lot of the volatility will be gone, because there won't be as much stock to buy and sell, and I think a lot of the shorts will be squeezed out. So I think after this happens, this will really solidify the stock, and this would be a great time. A lot of people are thinking just to get in and stay in and not sell, because you won't. And then also too, the shorts or the day traders that buy and sell the stock, they won't be able to make as much money, because if the stock doesn't go up and down as far, they might tend to steer away from it. Because up until this point, they've been able to make a lot of money because because it's so volatile. So anyway, this is just my guess of what's going to happen. I have pretty much no financial background. I mean, I took a few classes here and there, but read some books, watched YouTube, stuff like that. But from what little I know of, this is kind of my guess, and this is not financial advice at all. It's just my hunch on what's going to happen. So I'm just basically going to get as much as I can and hold on to it. And if it goes up high enough to where I can pay off my margin, then awesome. But if not, I'll just hang on and hope for the best. So anyway, again, do your own research. Don't take my advice, but this is just basically a personal reference. So that way, you know, later on I can always fall back on this, and I can tell people what my prediction was, and word for word, this is what I thought. So I'll watch it after the event and see how wrong I was or how right I was. So anyway, this is Roger with Roger's Reviews, and hope you guys take advantage of all the opportunities and do your own research, and hopefully we'll all come out smelling like rose after this. Have a great night. Good luck, Scott.